Starting again, when you think hope is gone, life is quietly waiting for you. The silent cry no one hears. There is a kind of tiredness you don't talk about, a weight you carry silently without knowing how to name it. You might still smile, you might still show up, but inside, something is slowly pulling away from life. Sometimes people don't even realize they are exhausted. They deny how empty they feel. They mistake survival for strength. But here is the truth. The strongest people are often the most tired ones. And if you are here right now, if you are listening, if you are still searching for meaning, that means there is still a spark inside you. And a spark is enough to restart a life. Hope is not a feeling. It is a decision. Hope is not waiting for good things to happen. Hope is the courage to say, I'm still here, even when everything feels broken. There are days when you wake up with no energy, no motivation, no belief, no desire to try again. On those days, hope looks like this: getting out of bed, taking a shower, refusing to completely give the day away. Hope is not loud. Hope is quiet resistance. And remember this: life may not notice those who quit right away, but it never forgets those who keep going. What you lost does not define you. People ask, what happened to you? Where are you now? What have you achieved? But the real question is, how many times did you fall and still refuse to stay down? You can lose your job, you can lose your money, you can lose someone you love. But as long as you don't lose this, you are not finished: the willingness to try again. Some people have everything and feel empty. Others have nothing and stand unbreakable. Strength is not what you hold. Strength is the ability to rise again. Rebuilding your life and career. Maybe you worked for years and it collapsed overnight. Maybe your career ended. Maybe you believe you are too late. But hear this clearly: a career can end, a human being does not. The doors that won't open for you today may one day tell your story as an example. Success is not owned by the fastest, the most talented, the luckiest. Success belongs to those who endure. Ask yourself today, how can I finish this day without completely giving up? The answer may be small, but consistency is born from small decisions. Loss, separation, and quiet grief. If you lost someone, if a relationship ended, if life suddenly feels meaningless, I won't minimize that pain. But understand this: pain doesn't come to destroy you, it comes to deepen you. What feels like emptiness today may become a story that gives someone else hope tomorrow. You are allowed to cry. You are allowed to slow down. You are allowed to feel broken. Just tell yourself this: this is not my final version, because no darkness can resist light forever. Money, poverty, and mental chains. You may not have money right now. That does not mean you are powerless. Poverty lives in the wallet, but wealth begins in the mind. People who build wealth don't chase money, they build skills, patience, long-term thinking. Most financial struggles are not about income, they are about habits. Ask yourself, what habit do I need to leave behind and which one must I build? Money comes later. Mindset comes first. Illness, the body, and belief. The body can get tired. The body can get sick. But remember, the body listens to the mind. Speak to yourself with compassion. Acknowledge your fear, but don't silence your hope. Hope is not medicine, but it strengthens every treatment. And sometimes, healing begins with belief. What starting again really means. Starting again does not mean forgetting the past. It does not mean pretending nothing hurt. Starting again means saying, I'm still here. And that sentence alone is one of the strongest sentences a human can say. You don't need to make huge decisions today, but you can choose this. Don't quit. Give yourself one more day. Don't abandon your story halfway. The truth you must never forget. Never forget this. Life didn't break you because you were weak. Life didn't wear you down because you were worthless. If you are here, if you are listening, if you are still searching, this is proof that you are not finished yet. And perhaps your strongest self begins right here. Thank you for watching and listening. I wish you always have hope throughout your life. See you in our next videos. Goodbye.